Hey guys, so today is my BOXYCHARM video. I just got it. Today is the 12th. I feel like they've been sending it to me earlier and earlier the past few months, so I'm really excited. You know how I do, I haven't opened it yet, so let's go ahead and get started because I'm very excited to see what is in here because I have no idea. Okay, so it looks like they're still doing the cards this way, which is really cool. It says Caribbean Queen and then it has everything in here. First of all, I feel like I'm gonna die because this is adorable. It's one of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum creams, and this is so adorable. So I buy the ones that are $20 each. I think they also have one that's like 40 or 45. It's like double that size. This one is like, it looks like if you're familiar with their packaging, it looks like it would be the size like $10 or $15. This is so cute. I love this scent, and I love this like lotion, if you will. It smells really good. It does say it helps tighten your body, which I haven't noticed, but something that I have noticed is that it actually gives me a rash right here, which is like a sensitive area for me. So like if I'm kind of like, if something has like a lot of perfume in it, I'll break out here and then on my cheeks in this area. Like I won't break out like anywhere else except for like these areas for some reason. So I don't know if it's just me or if some of you are out there like that too. But yeah. So let's see what it says about it here. Oh wow, it does. That's so funny. So I don't know if they sell this size. I haven't seen it anywhere. I go on their website very often. Maybe I'm just blind. But it does say the MSRP on that is $10, which is so silly. But yeah, that stuff smells amazing. I know there's some people that really don't like it, so definitely go see if you can smell it like in Sephora or something. Oh my gosh, this is a really good box. Like, wow. Okay, so now the next thing I have is these Luxie brushes. I haven't received Luxie brushes in a box in a pretty long time, actually. I feel like the last Luxie brush that I received possibly was either this, or they also, some of you will remember, they sent like a little brush trio. I just keep that in my car because, like, just in case, because I don't need brushes that are like that size really. But yeah, they came in this really nice packaging. Wow, this is amazing. How exciting is this? Luxie brushes are so soft. Like, if you haven't been getting BOXYCHARM, the only thing I hate is whenever they send brushes and they're like this. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like crooked. Like, it's like it usually fixes like a couple washes, but like this one is still kind of bent this way, and I got this brush last year in like June or something. So it takes a very long time. Wow, this one's like a stippling brush or something. Let's go ahead and read about them. So it says their MSRP is $42, which is expected for Luxie because they're kind of more like a high-end brand, I would say, like just because I mean, not only do they look really nice, but like most of their stuff is pretty expensive. I'm so sorry that it got so dark in here. Holy crap. I'm like working with supernatural sunlight right now. So it's called 3-Piece Flawless Complexion. It has a 660, 522, and a 516. So let me see the 516. One second. Okay, so this one is the Duo Fiber Powder Brush, and this is for cream or powder for a flawless finish. So that's usually kind of like, if something's kind of like more stippled like that, like it's very light bristles up here. So that's what I would expect from there. But the only thing I hate about getting like brushes like this, like I'm gonna use this one for highlight, but you guys know that I don't like wear foundation, so yeah. I might just end up putting like these two in like a giveaway or something, because like even though I know I just touched them, I mean my hands are clean. I know some people like might be bothered by that, but there's some people that really like don't care and they just like want makeup brushes. So I think I'm just gonna keep those for that reason, because there's no reason for me to keep them since I'm not going to use them. So I'm just going to put that in the giveaway drawer. And I'm definitely keeping this. So I'm going to end up keeping the 660 because I can use that for highlight. What is the next thing we have here? So we have another Girl Lactic matte lip. We got something similar to this color a couple boxes ago. Where is it? Okay, so I remember that we got this other Galactic matte cream in Demure, and then this one is in Blossom. So I'm just gonna swatch them next to each other, and that way you can kind of see like the color difference here. First of all, this is a gorgeous shade. Kind of like, I really like the smell of these, and I actually enjoyed the formula of this a lot. So Demure is more like kind of like a mauve-y color. So this one's Demure, and then this one is Blossom. See, it's kind of more like a rosy reddish, but definitely not like red color. Anyway, those Galactic lip creams, or matte lips, or whatever they call them, are really, really comfortable, and they smell delicious. Let's see how much they cost. It's called a lip paint, and it's $23. So the next thing that I have here is Jaunty Blue eyeliner in 912 charcoal. Kind of weird that this isn't wrapped up, but maybe it's because Kathleen Lights hates the packaging that they usually come in. So let me just see here. So it's really not that black. Is it supposed to be black? So I'm just putting my camera flash on because you can't really see, but like that's not my camera, like, I mean, that's not my flash washing it out. It's just really not very black. It's really weird. It's kind of more of a brown color, and it's supposed to be charcoal. Sometimes charcoal means black, but sometimes charcoal means gray. So let me go ahead and look at the little thing right here and see. So it doesn't say which color it's supposed to be, it just says which color it is. It's waterproof eyeliner pencil, 100% vegan, glides on smooth, and then it says use on the upper lash line or the waterline. It's $5, so that's a pretty good deal. Next thing in here is really, really adorable. So you just open it like this, and it is a pair of gorgeous lashes. We actually really don't get lashes that much in BOXYCHARM, so it's actually something really cool that I think that they do sometimes, because like they're always sending eyeliner. Like that was something that when I had Ipsy, they literally sent an eyeliner like every other freaking bag, and I was like, how many eyeliners do I need? Like, I need eyeliner, but I need good eyeliner, you know? So these are absolutely gorgeous. Let me go ahead and look up this brand because I haven't seen it before. It's Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. Let's see. So they say that they're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications if you use proper care, and they're $28. Wow, what is this? Okay, so I have this cute palette in front of me. I'm not really, I mean, I'm guessing it's a palette. It looks like one. Please don't be broken. Wow, this is gorgeous. See, this is one of those good boxes. I see you, BOXYCHARM. Ooh. So one of the colors kind of went in a little bit, but it's really not that bad. Look at this palette. Look at this palette. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do a look with this palette. There is no way that oh my goodness. Let me get you guys some swatches because I'm actually kind of dying right now. I have not been this impressed by a palette in BOXYCHARM. Oh my gosh. These are so buttery. Here, let me just dip into this one so you can see. Wow. Is this surreal? Oh my gosh, I know my face looks really crazy right now, but did you see that blue? Let me hit that. Let me hit that again. I don't even have more on my finger. Oh my gosh. Especially with blues, does anybody else get like so turned on by blue eyeshadow that's like creamy? Like, or is that just me? Okay, let's test out some mattes. They feel nice. Let me see. Let's do it here. So this is kind of an orange color. So it's not showing up on camera very well, but it's actually blending out pretty well here. So as you can see, there's definitely color. It's just not exactly the same color here. So this color is this one. So let's see about, there's a color in here, it's called, why? It's called something that's really difficult for me to say. So I'm just gonna try this one. So it's really cool. They have little water droplets next to the ones that you would like to use wet, I'm assuming. This is another blue shade that's in here. Who? Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay. Last color that I want to try here is this red shade in the palette. Let me go here, yeah. That was a terrible swatch. Just pretend that didn't happen. Yeah, it's actually a really, really pretty color. It's actually a really pretty color. You just can't see it very well on the camera. But in person, it definitely looks pretty rusty. You guys haven't heard me say this in a while. If there's anyone here that's been following me for a while, I used to compare things to it all the time. This reminds me of Bitten by Makeup Geek. I used to say that all of the time. Let me show you guys. There's this color called something I can't pronounce. I think these are all in Spanish, and I'm really bad at pronouncing Spanish words unless someone's like saying it to me. So it's this one here. It's kind of like a greeny gold, but let me put it like on top of this just so you can like, oh my gosh, do you see that? Like, die and go to heaven, right? Oh my goodness, let me see how much this cost. $28, that's really not that bad. Like, that is crazy. So it actually says this is Kathleen's fave. So that's really interesting. I guess I didn't know that they were doing that, but that's why, because it's the palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics or ground your look with warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature water droplets that can be used with a wet brush. That's really cool. And then it says the sun symbol for application with a dry brush. I want to see it with a wet brush. Let's fucking do this shit. Let's see. Yeah, this brush should work fine. So I don't like dipping into, you guys know that, I don't like dipping into the pan with my brush wet because I think it makes the shades look really weird. So I went ahead and dipped into the blue one since I am absolutely obsessed. I'm just gonna spray some of this Smashbox Serene Greens on it. And then let's just see what happens here. Is this a joke? Is this a joke? Is this a joke? Do you see this? If you don't have BOXYCHARM, you need this palette, I'm just saying. There's like sun behind it, so it's like freaking out. You have to have this. Like, that went so far. I'm slayed right now. Like, my entire being is literally just... Wow. Okay, so I think I'm actually gonna try on that Galactic lip paint for you guys. I'm really, really, really impressed with the box this month. I really appreciate BOXYCHARM for everything that they do, and like, this box is above and beyond for me. I'm so impressed. This is actually like maybe top 3 boxes that I've had, and I've been subscribed since 2015, maybe even like the beginning of 2015. Okay, so I went ahead and applied the matte lip paint. First of all, I applied it kind of horrible, and then I went to wipe my face and I realized that I had eyeshadow on a thing right here, so there's eyeshadow on me now. Anyway, I'm totally in love with this color. It's gorgeous, and the only thing that I don't particularly like about this is that it's really tickly whenever you put it on your lips. Anyway, this box was completely worth everything. Like, this makes up for like 3 of the past boxes. I was actually thinking about unsubscribing, but every time I think about unsubscribing, they do this, so I feel like it's like I see you, BOXYCHARM. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!